is Technophil. In this video, we're gonna see about the fundamentals of networking. Just we can start. Network and its advantages. Okay, what is a network? A computer network is a group of devices that follow some communication protocols to share the resources and for data transfer. Transferring a resource to a particular computer is called networking. A group of devices, that two group of devices interlinking, communicating each other is called a network. This network can be wired or wireless. It can be anything. Wired means like a hub, topologies like that wired, and the wireless is internet services like WAN, like that. Okay, the advantages is resource sharing, maximum hardware usage, and communication over the globe. Okay, next topic is IP addresses. What is an IP address? IP address stands for Internet Protocol. What is IP? IP stands for Internet Protocol. IP is an unique identifier given by DHCP services for a device on this network. You wanna go to the networking and to communicate with another computer that is connected to the network, you will be given an IP address by the DHCP service. So your device is recognized by the server to connect into the internet protocol. Okay. It is used to identify the particular device and then transfer data. On surfing the internet, you are transferring the data from your computer to the another server computers to surf. IP address is two types: IP4, version 4 and version 6. A version 4 is of 32 bits. It consists of 32 bits. 8888. It's of 32 bits. And the version 6 is about 128 bits. The version 4 is not enough for the people in the globe, so they created version 6, but most of the peoples are using the version 4 of the older devices. The new devices is coming upon this version 6. Okay, next, the IP v4 we are using commonly as a v4. So in this, throughout this sections, we're gonna see about the v4 IP. It is a 32-bit binary number, and each number is called as an octet and separated by period. Okay, each is called an octet separated by a period. This full stop in this middle, the separated the binary digits is called an period. This is an binary digit for 10, this is for 2, this is for 2, this is for 3. If you are a computer student or something related to communication, you will be studying that number conversions like a decimal number to the binary digits. This is a binary. If you want to know your IP address in the Windows machine, you will be using ipconfig, and in the Linux machine you will be using ifconfig to know your IP addresses. Okay, next, the major thing is MAC addresses. It is not provided by any services. This MAC address stands for medium for access control. This MAC address will be in your computer. It is an 48-bit hexadecimal addresses. Before that, it is an binary addresses. It is an hexadecimal digit, 48-bit. It is hard-coded into your network interface card. That is, you having a Wi-Fi card to connect with your internet services, like that internet interface card, it will be hard coded into a internet interface card. It is of hexadecimal. If you know that number conversion only, you will be understanding this. After having ABCD in your decimal up to 15, it will be having. So if you know the conversion only, it will be easy, but okay, leave it. That's all. Thank you for watching, guys. We will meet in the next video. Okay.